Hello again viewers, Corralejo, about 9:30 in the evening. What's it like? Let me show you. What a lovely place. Great sea views during the day here, and at night it's a wee bit different. Still a very, very nice atmosphere. We've got Music Square just around the corner. We're going to go by there just in a wee minute. All these lovely restaurants here as well. Stretches all the way along. We've got more bars and restaurants up there as well. Main Street is round the corner just to the left here. It's a good 15-20 minute walk to the top of that, and I know that because I'm going to be staying there later on. I need to head up there, viewers. Tomorrow night I'm staying at the Dunes Club near the harbour. That's a wee bit further down as well, down this way. Check out the balconies there, that is lovely. During the day that is a sea view balcony. You cannot complain. Nice in it anyway. Let's take a wee wander. I'll show you some Christmas lights. We'll head down there. Let's see what's going on here. Down a wee side street, random bikes there as well. Family kind of place, good vibes, Corralejo. Nice restaurant in there as well, looks beautiful. So this is Music Square. Band's taking the wee break just now, which is good for me actually, so I can show you. How busy is it? Very, very busy. Had a meal here last time, just sat, having a meal, having a beer, watching a brilliant live band, really, really good. If you're coming here and you like live music, check out Harry from the Nomad Brothers, check out where he's playing. If he's playing at the Rock Bar, Rock Island Bar I think it's called, or Sunset Lounge, you need to go and see him. It'll be one of the best shows you ever see in holiday. What a singer, you need to go and see him. And check out the channel, Nomad Brothers, if you're into FUERTEVENTURA videos. If you're watching this, you must enjoy them. Then the guys are going to be doing more from Corralejo and some other places possibly as well. But let's take a wee wander down here. We'll check out the local vibes down here. So there is some live music going on here as well. How nice is it, viewers, eh? The thing I like about Corralejo compared to some of the other resorts, it's different. It does have a more Spanish feel to it. There is obviously pockets where it's like a tourist place. You get the British and Irish bars, we understand that. But it's definitely got more of a local feel to it. I think it's a place where you think if you're going to maybe settle down and retire or maybe live here permanently, you would maybe think of Corralejo as an option, without a doubt. Nice, eh? Waterfall bar. Beer and gear. Oh, nice. It's a 13 bistro and tapas bar. We've got a wee side bit down the bottom as well. How nice is it? Pizza in there looks nice if you like pizza. Amazing to see the difference in these places. I'm telling you now, I passed by here earlier on and there was virtually nobody in these places. They just opened. They have literally booked a bus and brought all these people in. It's amazing how busy it is here compared to earlier on. This is the Oscar Tapas Bar. Oscar Tapas restaurant. Looks beautiful. Another wee popular spot here. La Esquina, I think it's called. Looks very nice. People just sitting, relaxing, enjoying it. Look at this. Guys cutting the meat in front of you. Superb. Oh, wee hidden gem down the side streets. Busy as well. The food smells amazing, viewers. I wish you could smell it. It smells absolutely amazing. Just takes you down to the seafront. There's a wee sneak peek into the restaurant there as well. Let's continue, viewers. Got another video coming soon showing you the menus. How nice is that place inside as well? Look at the wee entrance, just lovely, isn't it? Really nice. Look at the lights. This place not open for some reason, don't know what's going on. So we're just at the end here towards the harbour area. We're going to take a wee right. We'll see what's down here, viewers, will we? Hear the crickets? Here we've got the Rogues Gallery. If you want your picture up on the wall, that is the bar to go to. Looks like a wee interesting bar inside. Lots of pictures up on the wall. Hello. Wee restaurant next door as well. Bit quieter down this end. If you're new to the channel, do me a wee favour. I've never mentioned it, but it's absolutely free to subscribe. You just click the wee button there. Doesn't cost a penny. And regular viewers, if you're enjoying the videos from Fuerteventura, I hope you are. Try and give a wee variety, do some night videos as well. I didn't do that many in Lanzarote because it was out all the time, to be fair. So I'm trying to do a bit more here. So that is us down at the harbour. Now, I'm not sure what's going on with these places. I'll need to ask Harry and David from the Nomad Brothers, but I've came here a couple of times. I've never seen this place open. Maybe it just opens at weekends, I'm not sure. We've got Indians and we've got a burger grill there as well. It's pretty dark here. I'm staying tomorrow night, 5-minute walk up on the left hand side here at the Dunes Club. It does get darker here, I'm just being honest with you. I've done a video before on the way back to the Dunes Club saying they could be doing improving the lighting. It's funny because there is a lot of lighting here, but it still seems pretty dark. So they could improve that a wee bit. If you're staying at the Dunes Club, just be aware it's a wee bit darker as you go up there on the left hand side. During the day it's glorious because you go around there and you get more sea views. It's very nice. That is the harbour basically at night. Nice, peaceful and quiet. I'll show you a couple of restaurants here that are still open down this side as well. Just a chilled out, relaxed vibing in Fuerteventura, and I can understand why people come here year after year. This restaurant here specialises in fish, really. During the day they've got all the fresh fish out here on the tray, literally you can see the fish. Let's see for the fishy people if I can show you what they've got. Hold on, viewers. Oh, they've got some crackers there, viewers, haven't they? If you love your fish and your seafood, you'll love that. If you're not the big fan of that, then you might not. That's the name of the restaurant, eh? El Anzuelo restaurant. Still a few people in. These restaurants are busy earlier on. Don't tend to be busy so much later at night. Got the meat in the fridge as well. Amazing sea views here during the day. It's a place to sit during the day. Done another video showing you. Oh, we need to quickly go by this place. Look, cows following me again. I don't even think that's not even the alley hop cow. It's another cow. Must be its twin sister. Not sure. Nice wee interesting mystic shop there as well. If you want your hair braiding, that's the lady there that'll do it for you. Unfortunately, too late for me. You see the restaurants at Music Square Living are a lot busier than the restaurants here at this time of night. It does get quiet here this time of night. Maybe at the weekends it's a lot busier. During the day, definitely busy, and at night, maybe probably 7 o'clock-ish, really busy. Okay viewers, thanks for watching, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one.